Hello, 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 guys. Positive vibes. Let's kick some asses. Are you ready? Are you ready to rumble and dance? Okay, that's a good start. Positive vibes. Let's keep pumping it up. All right, all right, all right. Let's see here. Okay, so let's go ahead and start trading. Okay, let me add those high payout pairs that I like. Let's see. So we had a beautiful morning session. We made around 70 bucks, and I traded by myself at before New York opened. I sneaked on you guys. It was heavy. We made a few bucks as well. And now this is our third session. The New York session I sneaked on you. It wasn't live on YouTube. It was all by myself. It was very exciting. Okay. All right. So I think we are good to go. So we'll be trading the 3 minutes expiry. So let's start and end this day in huge profits. Let's go ahead. So let me see if we have any decent setups somewhere. This is nice. This is nice for a buy. I would take a sell if it gives me a drop. I would take a sell as well. See, you have your narrow state here, very close together. Swing high, swing low. So it's breaching from the bottom. Let's see. I need more strength. Mm, I need to see something closing here because you see there's a common rejection area. That's beautiful. Hungry one. I'll go for for a sell. Here it goes. So we are trading on our live real money account. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to use the live chat box. If you are new to our live stream, subscribe, smash that thumbs up button. And if you want to join our team, all the links you need are in the description box. Look at this beautiful drop. Out of the narrow state. Clumsy, clumsy drawing. Surging power bar. You shoot. My name is Mark. If you don't know me yet, I would be happy to get to know you guys. So don't be shy. Use the live chat. Let's get this thing moving. You see? All right. No, don't pull back on us. Don't do that. No, don't do that. No problem. We still have beautiful gap up. I like this gap. Reject. Come on, reject. Seriously? Let's see. It might win. Let's find something else. Still have 1 minute and a half for the other one. What is this? Nope. Too far away. Too far away as well. 65% is a no. 82% is too low. Too much of a steep dive. You see, this is too much of a steep dive to the downside. I would rather take a sell on this. I would rather take a sell on this one. Here. Let me set an alarm. Let me set an alarm here. Okay, we have 20 seconds left. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, a little bit more. A little bit more. Come on, 7 seconds left. Yes, that's it. Come on. No. All right. That's a loss. No problem. This pair, this pair is against me. This pair doesn't like Mark. It's, the USD Argentinian pound or something doesn't like me. Let me see what's going on here. Okay, it's happening. Very jumpy pair, by the way. By the way, guys, the more you trade the market, the more you'll start to get, instincts about the pairs you are trading. This is very also applicable in stocks trading and forex. You start, you know, uh, um, feeling your asset, feeling the pair. How is it going? What does it do when it reaches some point? So it's still rejecting here. Exotic pair. I mean, man, I trade all exotic pairs. This one, the Argentinian one, is against me. So still seeing rejection here. That's a beautiful grow close. I'll go for a sell here. Okay. See, when you remove the wicks, it becomes clearer. All right. If you remove the wicks, this breakout becomes clearer for you to identify your entry. Come on, give us a strong close. Let's at least come on. Okay, that's a fine close with a gap up. I'm completely fine with this. Beautiful gap up, massive. However, it's rejecting from the zero level here. You see, when you have, I don't know if my screen is hiding this. When you have zero levels, you usually will find some sort of a rejection on these levels. Yeah, the BTD one, I know. Come on, close down, close down. Come on, that's it. Beautiful, Come on, jumpy, very jumpy. That's a gap up as well. That's a gap up after a topping tail bar. This should sink. This should sink. 50 seconds left. We need that's it. That's what I needed. Come on, keep going. Keep going. That's it. That's it. Beautiful. Keep going. No, keep going. Very jumpy pair. I will not trade again on this pair tonight. Hey, hey, 15 seconds. Beautiful. That's it. Come on. That's a guaranteed win. There's no way. There's no way. Come on. A gap up as well. That's a win. Beautiful. Okay. So let me remove this thing. Jumping like crazy. USD BTD. That's your friend, Sarwar. That's your lovely friend pair. So till now we have one win, one loss. However, look, it's moving very smoothly, by the way. You see very little wicks. Uh, when you don't see lots of wicks like the AUD NZD that we traded the last trade, you see it's smoothly moving up and down, retracing smoothly. So this was a beautiful trade, by the way. Here, no problem. Let's see something else. This was nice. This was beautiful over here. This one. Narrow state, moving sideways, boom, enter. Look at this, we missed it. Look at this one. 3 minutes, it's a win. Look at this. It dropped again. It went back up and dropped again. I hate this pair, I remove it. Okay, you have something here. That's beautiful. That's nice. Okay, I'll go for it. Let's see. It should sink. I'm telling you, it should sink up until this point. This point here, somewhere over here. To reject a little bit and even shoot back up or go back down. Come on. That's beautiful. Give me a strong close down. That's it. That's it. That's my baby. Beautiful job. Beautiful job. Beautiful. Amazing. That's my baby. Keep going. Who doesn't love Egypt? For God's sake. Beautiful. Let's keep on. Okay. Hold on. Easy, easy. It might reject from this area. No problem. We have a huge margin of safety over here. That's it. It's plummeting, it's doing a deep dive. You see, sideways situation, when you have a sideways situation, green, red, happening at the 20 moving average, the 20 moving average acts like a rubber band or a trampoline. Once you see a massive red annihilating the greens, you don't think, you don't doubt yourself, you don't answer your wife, You just salivate. You salivate. You know what I mean? You salivate. You enter the trade. This trampoline pushed this thing down because the 20 acts like a zone. Look at this massive drop. Beautiful trade. Amazing. Don't move the saliva. Don't wipe. Just get into the trade and wipe later on. Fantastico. Love it. Let me see why it's rejecting from here. See, we have a demand area somewhere here close by. Love it, love it. I love this strategy. This is my favorite strategy, by the way. I have another strategy, a little bit high frequency, but it can do extremely well if you know what you are doing. Let me add a few more high payout pairs. Nope, the AD and ZD was the jumpy one. I will not add it. No, the Argentinian. You see, Ali, um, this was the USD Egyptian or the Chinese Egyptian. This is an exotic pair. It moved exactly how it should have moved. We missed this one. Look at this rubber band. You see? Your rubber band. You have a clearing bar over here. Fantastic. It cleared all this area. And since your rubber band is pushing to the upside, it will give it a push like someone pushing it. It's like when you buy a car, you have horsepower and you have torque. This is torque. Let's see something. Beautiful. Okay, I'm a bit late. I'll take it. Look at this, guys. Come on. Look at this. Sideways. Sideways. All over the place. Narrow state. Power surging bar. Now we are a bit late on it, but I will not too much. Not too much. It's still takeable. Give me a strong close. Give me a strong close. Come on. That's it. No. Come on. Gap down. Beautiful. This thing should reject at some point and shoot back up. Here it goes. Give me a bottoming tail bar. Yes. Give me that bottoming tail. Come on. Yes. You don't want to go down. You want to go up. I know this. That's it. Come on, baby. That's my baby. I love it. Love it. That's it. Give me a strong close. Cheerleader mode is on. That's a strong close. That's my close. Beautiful. Okay, 1 minute, 15 seconds left. A gap down as well. I love it. That's it. That's it. Steady. Beautiful. Beautiful. 1 minute left. If I was watching the chart, I would have entered over here most probably. This would have been my entry point. So a bit late, but no problem. The momentum is extremely strong. And look for how much time this pair spent. Look how much time this thing spent in a consolidation sideways situation. And you have a narrow state from the 20 and the 200, and you have this, crazy bar going up like this. It's a no-brainer. Beautiful, beautiful. Fantastic. Fantastic. 10 seconds left. And here we go. Guys, we for this session we have one losing trade, three winning trades, one losing. So we are at 70% win rate. I think I will stop. We've made around $40, I think, which is great. Love it. So what do you want me to do? Let's do something interesting. 20 minutes. It took us 20 minutes, guys. Even less than 20 minutes because I talked a little bit at first. So 15 minutes of trading, $40 in my pocket, four trades only. That's all you need. Four or five trades. That's all you need. So since we finished early, um, what do you think? Do I do the zigzag, Sarwar? Do I do the zigzag? I'll set my stop loss to 27, and let's say maybe I'll shoot for. I want to do $13 so we can have $2,140 in our balance. What do you think, Sarwar? Do I do this? You know, guys, sometimes in life, you meet people either live, face to face, or on the web, and those people change can change the course of your entire life. 5 years ago, I started trading binary options. It was a mess. I'm telling you, it was a complete disaster. I almost lost around $15,000. I wrote my story on Medium, by the way, if you want to read this. And and then I found someone on YouTube. You know, YouTube is full saturated of forex traders, stocks traders. Everyone claims they have the holy grail of trading. Everyone claims that their strategy is the best. You know, lots of bullshit all over the place. But this guy stood out. And from this guy, I learned this thing, the narrow state, wide state thing, and it changed the course of my whole trading career. It moved my things around. So for the past 4 years, let me say, because the first year was the idiot year, the first year was the complete idiot year. The four professional years on the binary options, forex, and stocks, it's because of that guy. And I can't stress enough the importance of having someone guiding you, um, someone you know for a fact has expertise and knowledge, discipline. The guy had around 40 years of experience in his pocket. He simplifies things. Sarwar, you like how I simplify things? He simplified the whole process for me because those traders over the web. I see charts sometimes like this. Look at this. I see charts sometimes. It gets me mad. I see charts like this. Look at this beauty. And the Fibonacci. And let me say, they add the Andrew Pitchfork. I see charts like this sometimes. What the hell are you doing? Do you think the market makers are, using those lines to find a place to buy or sell? Come on, let's be real. Now, you would ask me, all right, so why do you rely on those two moving averages? As you saw, I never take trades based off of what the moving averages are doing by themselves. What I do is I see the state of the market. These moving averages help me locate the narrow state, the sideways situation that I want to find. Okay. And I shoot when I see my event. This is a market maker telling you I'm making a move. And look, this move is still ongoing. This is a big guy for the USD Pakistani currency. Unpocket option telling you I'm moving up. And since the price is above the 200 moving average and above, you see, look at this rubber band, the 20. So it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. Now there's a way to trade the peak. There's a way to trade the peak as well. This is something for another discussion. It's a little bit more advanced. Still, it's simple yet not easy. It's simple. The way to explain it is very simple. However, it needs a little bit of training. So this would have been if I saw this, we would take a sell trade on this one. Beautiful. Even from this point, maybe one, two, three, four, five greens. So it got wiped out over here. So this is my entry point here. 3 minutes. You have a win. Look at this drop. See, the market moves in a cycle. It goes from a narrow state to a wide state, back to a narrow state. Narrow state. Look at this narrow state. See, narrow state. And now the 20 and the price is going to a wide state. At some point, this thing will flatten out and do this, for example, to a narrow state over here because the 200 is moving up as well, so it might do. This is the trending state. Okay, this is your event, and now you are in a wide state. It's going up to the wide state, so it might flatten out anytime and do this. And from this point, it has two things to do: a wide state to the upside or a wide state to the downside. You wait for an event to happen, like a power bar, like this, topping or bottoming tail bar, or two topping tail bars like this, back to back next to each other. My goodness, these two have a 90% follow through rate. When you see those two together, 90% of the time, the following candles, in this case, if it's a topping tail bar, you're going to see more red to come. If they are a bottoming tail bar like this, two next to each other, you have a 90% chance of getting more green to come. Okay. I think it was a beautiful session. Quick, swift. We got ourselves $40 in the bags. 75% win rate for this session. If you have any questions, this is the time. I'll give you a few minutes. Today, my afternoon session, my pre-New York Open session, it started bad. The market was crazy, jumping all over the place. I changed the strategy. You should adapt as well, especially for OTC. You should have two or three strategies in your pockets. You rely 80% of the time on one of them, and you should bring two more strategies in whenever you see a market situation that you know for a fact, because you tested it. You know for a fact that these two strategies will help you in these situations. When do you want to take up super trend strategy? Okay, good question, Ali. Uh, uh, Look, this week I started copy trading, so I have a commitment to my subscribers to do daily at least two sessions. Okay, so testing the super trend will take around an hour each day. So I will have to dedicate around 3 hours every day for the whole trading thing. So now I'm adjusting my schedule a little bit. Once I do adjust the schedule, I will do it. But let me show you, let me show you how, what does it, it's like this, it's something like this. Since you asked, I'll give you a sneak peek. Now I like Supertrend. It's a decent indicator. However, I use it for Forex. I use it for Forex as an exit indicator. Exit indicator. It tells me when to close, when to take profit. So let me change those. 10, 1, 12, 2, 11, 2. I think I'm getting the settings correct. I'll double check, however. And 13 and 12, 3. Look at this. When I first saw it, I laughed. I laughed a lot. And the guy that the guy that was showing this, he had I think an exponential moving average, which is nothing, sophisticated. A little bit more sensitive to the price data. I think it was 150 EMA, 150. My room is dark, so bear with me. Finding the zero. So the strategy says, where's the EMA? Okay, that's the EMA. The strategy says that your 150 EMA is to show you if the trend is moving up or down. So if the price is above the 150 EMA and you have a buy signal from all three super trends. So in this case, you had your first two signals here, you had a sell signal here, and then your third. So now you have three super trend signals. You go for a buy for 3 minutes. Okay. So at the close, you should wait for the closing of the candle and go for a buy 3 minutes. So why I'm laughing? Because obviously, I mean, why use three super trend indicators while you will be relying only on the third one, this one over here, to take the trade? Why add those two? Completely irrelevant and useless, just to make, just to make the strategy sophisticated for beginners, just to make it, complicated. And look, I'm a guru, I have three super trends overlaid on my charts. I mean, I see stuff sometimes, it gets me off my. Okay, I think I'm done. I'm done mocking those gurus over the web. Thank you so much, guys. Beautiful session. I see you tomorrow morning, same time. We'll do two sessions tomorrow. So thanks a lot and see you tomorrow.